I love beautiful plants inside and outside my home, so I am thrilled that I was sent this bonsai kit for review. Now it comes in this absolutely beautiful wood box with a pull top, and then when you look inside you will see that it has a wonderful growing guide, lovely little entry pots for the bonsai that are really nice, as you can squeeze and shape these to get the bonsai out of them when you're ready to plant them in a larger pot. They also have plastic lining and a drain at the bottom, so really smartly designed. And you get 5 of those for your 5 bonsai. And then you get all the seeds: Pigeon Pea, Locust, Wisteria, Locust regia, or the flamboyant tree, Jacaranda, the fern tree. And while I'm sure these all have extras, you also get a pack of extra seeds too. And then you get the dirt, it's coconut coir, so this is wonderful. You just add water and this will expand to fill the space. And you get all these adorable mini tools, including these great little pruners, so you can not only beautifully plant your little trees, but care for them as they grow up. Name tags for each bonsai. And while it may seem small, this plastic tray in the bottom of the box is very thoughtful, so it will catch any water that drains from the containers and make sure that you can put this wherever you want in your home without any concern. Super nice. Now let's plant some bonsai. Now the first step is really simple. I'm going to soak one of each of these seeds for a day just to get them ready to plant. I let all the seeds soak overnight and now it's time to plant them. Let's do it. Now this really is as easy as putting one of these little coconut cores in each of these bags, adding water and letting it expand. And this is always so cool to do. I'll just pop it in, add in the water. It is going to spill through. But while it's spilling through, it is actually expanding. And as I give it some time, it'll continue to expand until it basically fills this entire container. And it really is as simple as just adding some water to it, giving it a moment, and then it will continue to expand. Now you can just patiently wait for these to expand, and you can also poke at them a little bit, and that will help break them up and get to the parts that need more moisture. And this is just warm water. Definitely don't put boiling water on these, as all the plastic would melt. And now we're ready to plant, so I'm going to put this all into the box. And then you'll just want to put each seed in about 1/4 inch deep. First one in. Now all my seeds are planted. This is absolutely darling. Because I just watered that coconut coir to expand it, there's actually a lot of moisture in this, so I won't need to water it too much for the first few days, and then I'll start paying attention to it. And I love that it comes with all the tools I could want to take care of these as they grow, and that I also have a ton of extra seeds in case any of these don't sprout, or if I want to plant them somewhere else. A really lovely bonsai set that I am so excited to see grow.